Urukiko rw'akanyabwanya rwaba ryahanshonga izina kakwate n'ubushomankuzi omukanso. Byansu Muhammad n'umwe omuri ba Kansara yagira ngo ibyoma kampani ya Abubaka ikaba ibyombekere nk'akatsimu.
Nanisaba aba Abubaka baze ha police bakore statement aha bintu yabatire hariya nayabikirize kubitekaho. Ecya kabiri bakore statement bakihanga figures zibatira mu executive ekiza ikademandinga that money ne executive kore statement itarabasize part of responsibility ekakora inquiries ekamanya ibere rero ndabikiri.
Abantu bagira ngo enyumaho kanso ekaba yaragire ebitarebi kubyiha amahembe gente konka akakiko ka executive hamwe na konturakita bayanga kandi hati nubatinesereza kubinga konturakita.
Abubaka blacklisting uzahita karyi akakora kitariyo tamwitirize wakikanaza nanisaba hariye ndize mirimo yone tukubuza kuhereza Abubaka tutagaruka kumuhereza. And it should be on record.
Let these people go to police and they make statements. Yes. These people, they have grabbed our land. That grabbing, in fact, it is an abuse, it is criminal.
Honorable.
So if it is criminal, but they make statements, they get out of our land, yes. And then we'll be free. Okay.
Kino kintu kindakozera ekiba Kansara barasimira. Kandi abantu baturani basimira. Mbweni nyuwe nturu Orutaro na nabo konka abeka kwiyaho ebintu might not have any problem with it ahubwo kwanka kanso taro sentezi yaferwa taro sentezi shashwire so nindeba mutaroshonga.
Omujokirwa wa president yashaba bebembezi ba Kansara gukora ebiro kuba biri on budget kandi yabarabura ahabushomankuzi.
Anyuka bagambara kizara that something to do with corruption. Even if for a brother, even if for a friend, even if for my wife, we can divorce. But I will not be with you for corruption, because corruption undermines development.
Urukiko rwayongeza ubwayo mpaka ibirabira na mushanje byo kwezoku kusharamu yabe byoma byaha mahimbe gente ibishenywaho. Gashakwa Harrison Kagore.